Stockdale and Lego proudly present this versatile, prime fat cattle production property in renowned heavy carrying country. The property features 37 squares of comfortable living with 4-bedroom home boasting very spacious lounge room and formal dining areas. New 2-pack enamel kitchen with new appliances, PyroClean oven, ceramic electric touch hot plates, Miele dishwasher and huge walk-in pantry. Heating comfort assured with underfloor electric, 2 split systems and inbuilt combustion wood heater, solar hot water and solar back to the grid. Subdivided into 16 paddocks, all with dam and reticulated troughs, supplied via a bore and pressure pump system. Excellent fertiliser history of lime, 3-in-1, super and potash as required, plus pasture booster. Sundry shedding inclusive of a 2-stand shearing shed and yards. Old dairy brick, machinery shed, 2 hay sheds, grain silo and grain shed. For more detailed information, contact Mike Willoughby of Stockdale and Lego Wangaratta and invest in your future today.